我们每次都这样，
开始了吧？这个东西没办法夹不住，你知道吗？
往里夹，不能老是夹着边边，因为它是
开始了，
开始
了。好，3、2、1，开始。
Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Juliet from EB China. Welcome to our live show today about high alloy castings and forgings.
Hey, this is Jeff. Welcome to our live show.
Okay, so welcome Jeff. So as you may know, we are EB China. You know, our full company name is Eternal Bliss Alloy Casting and Forging Company Limited. So, Jeff, do you know where are we located?
We are located in Castings&Forgings province. It is about 150 kilometers away from Shanghai.
Yes. So, you know, we are very nearby Shanghai. Yes. So most of our alloy castings and forgings, you know, are shipped from Shanghai port. Yes. Yes. Also, you know, most of our, you know, also products, you know, are delivered from Shanghai port or from Shanghai Pudong International Airport. So it is very convenient for us to arrange the shipment. Yes. Okay. So Jeff, do you know what's the registered capital of our company, EB China?
Our registered capital of EB China is 13.14 million Chinese yuan.
Okay, great. Yes. So, you know, the registered capital of EB China is 13.14 million Chinese yuan. Okay. So, you know, we have been the gold supplier of Alibaba International for many years. So, do you know how many years?
We have been more than 6 years.
Okay, great. Okay. So, you know, so far, you know, every year, Alibaba will appoint TUV, the third party, company, came to our company and our foundry to arrange the on-site assessment. Yes. Okay. So, Jeff, could you please let us show some certificates, okay, to our overseas customers. Okay, let's start from this one. Okay, so our camera is here. So you know, this certificate is about. Jeff, could you read for us?
Quality management system qualifications.
Yes, certificate. Our quality management system complies with. Okay, Jeff, could you please read?
GBT 19001 2016 ISO 9001 2015.
Okay, great. Yes, you know, this certificate is valid for our production scope, supply of alloy castings and forgings. Yes. Okay, from our ISO 9001 certificate, you can note our certificate number. Also, Jeff.
1201 2021.
Okay. Also, you can find our certificate date, certificate valid date, date of initial certification. Also, you can find our unified social credit code of the certified organization. So everything is clear shown on this certificate. Okay. Thank you, Jeff. So could you please show the second certificate? This is about this one. Okay, so this is
An environmental management system certificate.
yes. Okay, so this certificate, what's the standard?
24001 2016 ISO 14001 2015.
Yes, okay, so this certificate is valid for the following scope. It's a
supply of alloy castings and forgings and sites.
yes. Also, from this certificate, you can find our certificate number, certificate date, certificate of valid date, and date of initial certification. Also, you can find our Jeff, could you read?
Unified Social Credit Code of the certified organization.
Yes, great. Okay, so let's move to the third. What's the third important certificate? This one. Okay, so this certificate is about
Occupational health and safety management system
certificate. Okay, good. So what's the standard?
GBT 45001 and 2020 ISO 45001 2018.
Yes. So this certificate is valid for the following scope. It's a
Supply of alloy casting and forgings and sites.
good. So you can find every certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, date of initial certification. Also, you can find our
Unified Social Credit Code of the certificated organization.
good. Okay, so you will note that CNAS organization issued this certificate to us. Okay, thank you. Okay, so just now we mentioned our certificate, very important certificate. Okay, so in addition to TUV coming to our company to make the on-site assessment every year, also SGS also come to our company to make the on-site audits every year. Appointed by Made in China. So okay. So what's this, Jeff? Do you know this awards?
The
Manufacturing, yes.
Manufacturing Excellence Evaluation Awards.
Yes. Okay. So these awards. We just got these awards just this May, and this awards was issued by Made in China and SGS, TUV, yes, TUV, and BUE Veritas. Okay. So these awards mention that our parts, have won high praise. Okay. This is about manufacturing awards. Also, okay, Jeff, could you get this? Yes. Okay. We have been the good supplier of Alibaba International for more than 6 years. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so every year TUV comes to us to make the on-site assessment. After we are qualified, then TUV will issue this certificate to us. So far we have been the
Verified Supplier Certificate.
yes. So now we have been the global verified supplier on Alibaba International. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, Jeff. Just now we talked about all the certification from our company. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So also Also, we are
the number of Wuxi e-commercial
chamber. Yes. Okay. So so far, we have we have awarded 22 patents. 22 patents, about our high alloy castings and forgings and some new material technology. So EB China not only just focus on the design, research, design, manufacture, and marketing the high alloy castings, forgings, and ceramic products. Also, we focus on the material development technology. So far we have awarded 22 patents. 22 patents. So now I'd like to take this opportunity to show you our patents. Yes, this patent is about high strength, high toughness lift bar castings. These castings is a kind of wear resistant castings used in mining industry. Okay, so this one is about our working table. This patent is about our melting system. So this one is about our new product, about mining lift bar castings. This one is also about our wear resistant castings used in mining industries. Also, this patent is about coal mill liners used for coal-fired power plants. Okay, this patent is about our corrosion-resistant castings. It's a kind of cobalt alloy round bars. Okay, so you will see, many different patents. This patent is about our production process. This one is about our heat treatment, heat treatment trays. This one is about our corrosion resistant boat washers. It's with a special design. Many different many different patents about our different products, production process, material technology. Okay. So my dear friends, so far you will understand that EB China specializes in high alloy castings and forgings and ceramic materials. Also, we focus on the research and the development of new material technology, especially high alloy metal materials and ceramic materials. Okay. So also, we have EB China also, very actively participated in the social activities to take our social responsibility. Okay, so Jeff, so that's all for our introduction about our company, EB China. So you will know that, Jeff, could you read this one? EB China is a
professional supplier of heat, wear, processing, castings, and
forgings. Yes, forgings. Okay, good. Yes. Just as Jeff mentioned to all of us here, we are a specialized wear, heat and corrosion-resistant castings and forgings. Yes, so we are the total solution of this wear, heat, and corrosion issues. Okay, so my dear friend, if you are interested in our products, including high alloy castings and forgings, mill liners, metal powders, and all kinds of web balls, yes, you are always welcome to inquire about us. Okay, thank you. Okay, so don't forget to follow us. Follow us on Alibaba Shop. Then send us your inquiries, drawings, materials, and quantities to us via your email, online message, or WhatsApp. You are always welcome. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Jeff. Okay, thanks. Okay, so let's welcome to my colleague, Hamburg, for our next wonderful live show. Okay. 他拿一个 flowers here. Take a photo. Yeah, for Jeff. Okay, so Hamburg is preparing for his live show, his speech. Yes. Okay, welcome here, Jeff. Okay, take a photo for your first live show. Okay, cameras here. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. So, okay. Thank you. So now let's just wait a moment for Hamburger's speech. Okay. Okay. So welcome, Hamburg.
Hey guys, this is the EB for Simon. This page is about words as early as the 6th century in Europe. Door making workers began producing doors with spiral frames. In 1797, Mosley invented all metal precision screw lathes in London. The following year, Wilkinson made a nurse transport manufacturing machine in the United States. Both machines can produce universal nurse and birds. Until the 21st century, birds are widely used in construction, machinery, furniture, electrical, automobiles, land, and other industries. The next page is about the birds. Materials. The bird materials produced by our company mainly include carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, and special alloys, such as 45 steel, SS316, SS304, SAF 2205, 2507, 40CR, 42 CR more, and mono K500, and the last is mono 400. Dimension. The diameter is M6 to M100. The length is 20 to 800, and so on. This application mainly used in mining machinery, curling tower, and other industrial equipment. This page is about 4 mill boards. Application. Ball mill birds are wild mills, e-world mills, servant mills, core mills, and mine mills, including SAG mills and AG mills.
最后给它喷一张照片。
Material grade. Thermally use 40 CR and 42 CRO and 35 CRO. The 40 CR is 10.9 grade. The 42 CRO is 12.9 grade. And 35 CRO is 12.9 grade. This page is our staff. They are testing the nuts and the bolts.
来，小伙子，练唱我不会唱，行，对，然后你随便唱。
We can see
要不你给我个侧脸，反正你得看到我这儿，
we can see our
看这块，对，瞅着看吧。
we can see our nurse or we can see our staff are testing nuts and bolts. Okay, next page. This is our master. He is casting. This page is about stainless steel
练唱我。
Stainless steel boards generally refer to steel boards that are resistant to corrosion by air, water,
很美的，那
alkaline salts, or other media. These ability mainly for environmental protection equipment, medical equipment, power facilities, chemical instruments, petrochemical industries, and pump valve pipelines. Material grade. Our most thermally produced materials are SS304 and SS316, SAF2205, 2507, and mono K500 and mono 400. This page is about some nerds and girls. Our staff are testing. Also, this is some this picture, this page is some nerds and girls. Also, we have the secret. At the last moment, thanks for watching. If you have any inquiry about work, please send it to our email @edcastings.com. If you like to study your requirements and try to use the best prices, please follow our shop on Alibaba. I will bring you a more exciting live broadcast in the near future. Okay.
这不是吗？
来，是。回到第一页。
拍完照
等一下，回到第一页。Okay, so my dear friend Humbert will show our boats and the nurse samples to all of our friends here. Okay.
This is a nurse.
让他过来呀。
对对对。
This is a nurse.
Nurse, yes.
蓝手机还是大手机啊？
And this is the birds.
来找几个大的。
Okay.
那个，我就先。
啊，
弄点大的。
那后边那个大的，
大的轮盘扛着。
对，就那，全是那。
东西你这个太重了。
这个什么充电款？
This is the birds.
材质说一下。material。
材质是什么？我不知道。
4.6。
材质和样本。Yeah, it's this is a heavy boat. Yeah, for mill liners. Yeah, sand mill liners, very heavy. The diameter is about 48 millimeter, and the material grade is 40 chrome, 40 chromium. Yes, or 42 chromium moly. Also, we can produce the heavy boats as per international standard, 4140. Okay, so our high strength boats have been used in Australian mines. Okay, so thank you, thanks, thank you, Sam Hamburg.
This is the small one.
嗯，来吧，提前说好美羊，咱原生效型。不拍。
Okay, thanks for hamburgers, wonderful live show. Okay, about boats and nuts. Okay, thank you. Let's welcome to next live show. Yeah. About new liners. Yeah, from our colleagues, Jamie and Eric. Okay.
Concepts of the fine crushing and the grinding technology, cement and the mine introduced industries. Both formulas.
Based on theory of bore-mile system engineering, the paper expounds the comprehensive application of science and technology in fine crushing and grinding process, and puts forward a new concept of fine crushing and grinding technology in cement and mining industries through the analysis of the working condition and the operation of each working part of the bore miles.
This article expresses the importance of high quality resistant materials in the grinding process. This article that thin liners and metal grinding boards will be the best competition in cement formula engineering. This article introduces a new type of low chroming caster arrow grind boys necessary for my red grind process. Keywords grind.
One, the introduction. Cement and mining industries are the best industries in the national economy. They have the characteristics of stability, large flow, and high energy consumption. Therefore, high efficiency and low consumption. Common topics in the cement and mining industry.
Crushing and grinding production is the main link in cement production. And my education and its consumption accounts
For nearly 70% of the entire production process. Therefore, the improvement of the crushing and grinding production process is the main goal of the enterprise to achieve energy saving, consumption reduction, and efficiency improvement.
In the cement of small and medium-sized mine introduce the application of the rolling the production process
progressively advanced the efficient fine crushing, compression, and of the roller press promotes the breaking and grinding separation and the animation of the ball mills, replacement of break or by grinding offside service. However, after the technological advancement of roller press, the design of the ball mills and the of mass did not make any press spending or progress according to the new working conditions. How to position the ball mill from process point of view, promoting the ball mills to adapt to new material working environment. Further improving the work efficiency of the ball mills and practically combining the roller press has become a new topic.
crushing and grinding production line are widely used in the production of mine, cement, electrical
chemical industry,
building material and other industries. It has a crack and some material role in the traditional more and it's also the mine from money, cement and other extras to improve electric and reduce
and reduce consumption of all areas such as gold, silver, copper, iron, and tin are mined. They need to go through primary crushing, machine crushing, fine crushing, and then through grinding process to select fine ore powder. Every year, nearly 2.4 billion tons of cement, raw materials, and clinkers are crushed and ground, and the processing capacity of crushing and grinding process exceeds 6 billion tons. About 1.7 billion tons of coal used in coal-fired power plants must be crushed before it is injected into the boilers for combustion and power generation. Okay. Here are some samples. Okay, let's go on.
离这远，我看不见。可以吗 ？OK。
In 2019, China produced 9.56 million tons of steel based on the average iron content of 30% or 3.3 million tons of iron ore alone need to be crushed and ground every year. Copper, gold, molybdenum, plutonium, and other metal mines have similar production process. The gravel and sand used in concrete should be broken and body broken before it can be applied to all kinds of construction projects. Crushing and grinding process consume about 4 million tons of well-resistant materials every year. Coal consumption of crushing and grinding takes up nearly 70% of the whole production process. Therefore, the improvement of crushing and grinding production technology is the main direction for enterprise to achieve energy saving, consumption reduction, and benefit improvement.
The current crushing and grinding process for the basic processing cement mine crushing grinding production is to use a series of requirements after blasting and the intent of more than 1 meter of material. 3.
Through multi-stage crushing, grinding processing into 20 to 80 microdiameter of the tiny particles, so that the subsequent cement production of manual processing can be carried out. The process should be multi-stage crushing, ball mill,
The importance of ball mill in grinding process. Ball mill is the most important requirement in the grinding process of cement mud. Ball mill is an requirement in modernized grinding process. Ball mill is the
the preferred equipment for high quality cement and mineral powder. The ball mill consumes more than half of the electrical energy in grinding process. The effective grinding process operation equipment specification should be selected around the ability of the ball mill. Mistakes of current crushing and grinding process. Ball mill is called a low efficiency machine. In fact, it is misunderstood. People do not really understand the ball mill. It is a distinct machine in grinding process. The ball mill has been around for more than 100 years. Over the past 100 years, great changes have taken place in the grinding process. The feeding particle size of the ball mill has changed from about 200 micrometers in simple production to about 1 micrometer in modern mass production.
For more than 100 years, due to a misunderstanding, the ball mill is almost unchanged, with some short change has really become a high consumption and low efficiency machine. In order to adapt to the process of modern masses produced, people just increase the demand of the ball mill, increase the length of the ball mill, without considering the ball mill itself is a system in engineers.
In production part of the ball mill is often separated into 2 or 3 silos. One silo is called the crushing silo. 2 silo is called the grinding silo. In fact, in the modern grinding process, the silo has no meaning. So the long silo that is we call single silo or conductive to fermentation to extract water to reduce the temperature. It's conductive to grinding to reduce the failure of the elevator after grinding.
Okay.
Misunderstanding 2. Compartment fault theory. In the modern large-scale production of grinding process, the silo plant is actually a redundant device. Harm but no benefit. Not only high in ventilation in the mine, block material flow is not conductive to reduce the temperature in the mine. And the nailing plate in the highest failure rate, affecting the normal operation of the ball mill in production. Misunderstanding 3. Gradation theory. Grading is a string theory. It is an ideal imagination to hope that the big ball will hit the big piece and the small ball will hit the small piece. The theory is gradation has neither scientific basic nor scientific verification. They are only the same diameter in the unit volume. The ball has the largest surface area, the largest grinding area. Misunderstanding 4.
Liner handles their line plates must be sent to where handlers actually and know the surface share of the line is more important. The ball mills naturally and there is transfer of the grinding medium where the line plate, the surface.
The surface shape of the line plate indicates the movement mode and the speed of grinding medium. That is the grinding